Have you ever wanted to buy an RC car just to play around with every once in a while, but you didn't want to spend a fortune? You wasn't an extreme hobbyist? Well, Temu might have the answer for you. In today's video, I might in it. And in today's video, I'm going to show you one of Temu's solutions. What's up, YB Works fam? It's your boy Bly, and we're back here with another video. Today, we're going to be checking out this guy. Let me pick it up carefully. Yeah. So the box showed up kind of messed up. That was more FedEx's fault in all actuality, but it looked like everything was in it. I checked it out real fast because it showed up like this. I was gonna do like a live unboxing, but I had to open it up and check out to make sure everything was in there and not damaged, so that I could return it in case it wasn't. But everything in the box was fine. The box just showed up like this on my front porch. So we're gonna get this thing unboxed, get some batteries. I got it pretty much put back in the box how it came. So I'm gonna get you guys over here to the table and show you guys what's all in the box. Alright guys, so here's the box. This is what we got. Like I said, it showed up pretty much like this. But let's show you guys what's in the box. I think I have the screwdriver loose, something like that. Yeah, it's over there. There's those. That's it. So here's your instruction manuals. Tells you how to take the wheels off. Show you guys where the battery goes. That's the German side. I probably should show you guys the English side. So that's pretty neat. This one actually comes with instructions. I've heard a lot of complaints about Temu products not coming with instructions, but this one did. So here's what we got in the box. Let's take that off. So you get a set of traffic cones and barrels and such to lay out a small track for yourself. You get an extra battery with a charger. There is another battery already in the car. You get an extra set of wheels. These wheels, let me pull these out, are rubber wheels. I need to get some extra light in there. Bang, there we go. So can we focus? There we go. So these wheels are rubber wheels, and I'll show you the ones on the car in a minute. These are for racing, the other ones are for drifting. So there's your controller. Real quick, pretty nice controller. It's really lightweight, so I don't think it's real crazy high quality or anything, but it will get the job done. It looks like you have your gas pedal, reverse, steering right there, high speed, low speed. Here's your power, and it says light. I believe this has working LED lights, but we'll show you that in a minute. So here are the tires that are on the car. These are smooth, harder plastic tires for drifting. This guy is probably going to work best on, there is the car. Yes, this one I chose the Porsche model. There is several other models. Ask the North Wind. Yeah. So it is four-wheel drive. Has a steering adjustment right there. There's your battery compartment. On off switch. Made in China. So let me see if we can get some batteries for this and get it hooked up. Before I do that, guys, make sure you check the description below for a link that you can get $100 worth of coupons from Temu and 30% off of a single purchase for new app users. So make sure that you go down so you can get your Temu shopping on, shopping like a billionaire, you know. So go ahead and do that. Look down in the description below for that link. Also, creators, there's a link to the affiliate program where you can help get yourself some free items, as well as paid to do some videos for Temu just like mine. So here we go. We get some batteries and we'll get this thing fired up and we'll show you guys what it's all about. This screwdriver also comes in the package. I got me some batteries now, so let me show you guys. So that screwdriver will work to take that off, as well as the bottom for the car, so you can swap the battery out. So we're going to pull that out of there, just like that. And pop the batteries in. That quickly we have batteries in. I don't remember if this one was hooked up or not, but I'll go ahead and do it to show you guys. Loosen that screw up. Right in there. Yep. You just drop your battery in and you hook the cable together. So my initial thoughts on it, seems pretty good. Feels decent made, not real crazy good quality, not bad quality. So let's see how it drives. One critique that I say is the charger. Doesn't look like I have a way of telling when the battery's full, but I guess you just charge it for the time it says it needs, and that's how you go. Also, this screwdriver works to take the wheels on and off, but we're not going to do that right now because we actually want to try to drift. So turn it on and turn it on. So it found connection, as you can see. So yeah, 4-wheel drive. Turning works. The lights on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Nice. That's actually pretty dope, you guys. For this thing was 18 bucks. Most of the time you find it for $20 or under. This thing was $18. I will have the exact price showing up right now, but let me set up a track in my carport right here, guys, and let's drive this thing. So it looks like I ain't no good at doing the track part, but the track is actually really fun. Yeah. That. As you guys seen, that thing hit off the wall a bunch of times. Let me show you what it looks like after that. It's pretty durable looking, actually. Banged off the wall a bunch, but really only that front lip right there has got the most of the damage, if you guys can see that. See? But anyway, once again, link will be in the description below. Content creators, my affiliate link will be in the description below. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more, and for more videos like this. Put down in the comments below what you guys think of this RC car, as well as any other Temu products you would like me to review.